Hello everybody, Charles Moore from charlesmoore.com, and today we're going to be rolling out the BootStrap Kit Builder. You're going to find it on eaglestudios.us/BSKit. That's my parent site. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit here, and this is how the pages get built up. You're going to simply drag and drop. Hover, let's grab a header. Let's say we take this one here, left click, drag, and drop. Easy, right? This logo here can be changed easily in the CSS. You've got full navigation and drop down. Okay. Now let's say we want to build up some lead magnet or something like that. Let's pull this in, drag and drop. Now we've got first name, last name, email. Click register now. You'll plug in your autoresponder code in the back end, and then over here you've got full reference to YouTube videos if you load up to YouTube, or you can play them back right off your server. Now, come in here, let's add another content block. Let's say we want to add something like, little something here. A direct buy now or find more information. We can do that. And let's say we just put a footer in. Every website should have a footer. And bingo, done. Look at that. You see how that works? And let's say we want to put a little tagline, tag in here for copyright information. Okay, so check it out. We got a whole website built up in less than 15 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now what do? You're going to come over here and click Export Site. Once you export the site out, you're going to get a website.zip. That file you're going to put on your desktop, stick it into a folder, and then unpack it. When you unpack it, you're going to get all the necessary files to build up this, exactly what you've done. It's easily editable. Okay, totally editable. And what do we mean by that? Look at this. That's what you're going to see. Now I use Ultra Edit. You can do this in Notepad. Do not use a word processor. Okay, you want to use a text editor. So Notepad, Notepad++, Ultra Edit, any of these kind of programs in this family will work just fine. Make sure you save to like UTF-8, and then HTML format, and you'll be good to go. Here you can change the title. You can change your meta tag structure for your SEO, complete with all the content blocks, and each section has its own CSS file, so there you go. The ones that you don't use, highlight and delete. Piece of cake. If you're using video, leave this video in. Let's see, then you come into the body. This is really cool. Header is the section where you have the logo and the navigation. Complete navigation here. Next, section to section to section. Just bump down the page, and all you're going to do is place your images in the image folder, call to that image with the correct file path, and make sure that everything is all lined up. Then you're going to go to the next section. Any contextual information changes here. If you have images, make sure your images again are lined up correctly. Then as you move all the way down the page to the footer, that's going to be right here. You'll see where like shortcuts, legal stuff, contact, all this stuff here is all lined up in perfect, perfect setup. And you can see the code is really pretty too. Now I have done, I've go in here and I clean a lot of this stuff up. The builder's not 100% perfect, so we have to come in here and do some fine tuning. But imagine that, you've got a perfect setup here, really pretty code. And then at the end of the day, all your scripts go at the bottom and export. So what can we do with it once you're done? So you have this. What can you do with it? Let's take a look at a couple sites. Here's one we did for Richard. Richard, he's got his little thing going on here, and Miss Cora. She's got a stroller that we built in. You can watch that kind of bounce across the screen. This is actually Niveo. So Niveo actually blends into BootStrap perfect. You can see it's working 100% right here. Cafe Blanca, enjoy the best of two worlds, great coffee and a business opportunity. This is great for network marketers. Okay, and we have Asher, another network marketer. Bingo. Here, he's got a lead magnet right here. We actually created this book for him. It's really awesome. Okay, so again, live from Cincinnati, Charlie Moore here, charlesmoore.com. You can find this in under website code, actually, right on the blog, website code. All right, that's it. Until next time. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.